Hobbies are not only a great way to spend time, but also an opportunity to diversify your daily life, find new acquaintances, whether they are future work partners or just like-minded people. In addition, the hobby promotes continuous learning and self-development. So now I'm going to tell you about the best hobbies for men. Martial arts is a truly unique training system that shapes not only physical fitness but also character. Agree that no one likes squishy. Martial arts training requires us to constantly improve and self-discipline, which helps us develop better control over our emotions and behavior. With the self-confidence gained through martial arts, you can forget about the fear of being humiliated or robbed in an alley. Mastering self-defense skills gives you a sense of security and self-confidence, which can be useful not only in extreme situations but also in everyday life. Playing chess promotes the development of cognitive abilities such as concentration, logical thinking, strategic planning, analytical skills, and decision-making ability. Achieving your goals through failures, analyzing mistakes, and learning from them helps to improve these skills, which is the most important thing on the way to reaching the top. Cooking at home allows you to control the quality and composition of food, which contributes to a healthy diet and can be more economical than visiting restaurants or buying ready meals. In addition, if you arrange a dinner for a special occasion, such as dinner with a girl, it is important to prepare some special dishes so that the evening is memorable. Blogging will improve your voice and speech accuracy. Constant practice of writing helps to develop clarity and logic of thinking, which in turn affects oral speech. In addition, communicating with an audience through a blog requires clarity of expression, which contributes to the development of communication skills. A blog can also become a source of additional income through advertising, the sale of its products or services, as well as affiliate programs. Drawing trains imagination, attention to detail, and the ability to analyze and synthesize. You can learn to draw quickly, especially if you use free lessons on YouTube. In just a couple of days, you can master the basic principles and already start sketching people. The main thing is constant practice and the desire to improve your skills. Imagine the reaction of your friends or girlfriend when you can draw their portrait.